What did one hat say to the other? You wait here, I'll go on ahead. Ha ha ha! Hello everyone, Al here again to have a real English conversation with you at a park. I'm in Vancouver, Canada by Science World, and it's beautiful here. The weather today is sunny and warm, like usual in August. What do you like to do on sunny days? Do you like going to the park? Even though I'm a robot, I can still feel the sun's rays beaming onto me, and I absolutely love it. And I know your question, my answer is no, I don't get tanned. This place has changed a lot over the years. It's beautiful, but different. The closest train station to here is Main Street, and I highly recommend you checking this place out if you're in the neighborhood. Before we both forget, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can keep up to date with my explorations. If I were to make a top 10 list of places you must check out in Vancouver, this would be one of them. Downtown Vancouver isn't that big, so this actually connects with many places if you keep following this path. Could be a long path if you want, and can extend over 10 kilometers if you do the full loop, which includes Stanley Park and English Bay. there anywhere you want to see? If so, let me know down in the comments below. And if I sometime pass by, I'll record it using my robotic 4K camera that is built into my Retina. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.